The Carnival Mardi Gras is headed back to the United States. Let's talk about it right after this. Hey everyone, Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. If you would, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so, helps us grow our channel, and allows us to continue bringing you cruising content. So Carnival Cruise Lines has announced that the Carnival Mardi Gras will be returning to the United States. It's currently in Barcelona, and on May 21st, it's going to go ahead and head back to Port Canaveral in Florida, should be arriving there on June the 4th. Now, the Mardi Gras is Carnival's first LNG, which is liquefied natural gas cruise ship, and is expected to do cruises throughout the Bahamas and the Caribbean after the resumption of cruising. Now, once she gets to Florida, she is going to take on additional crew, get vaccinations as needed, take on supplies, and get prepared to start sailing. Carnival stated that with more and more hopeful signs coming from the CDC that cruising will be able to restart in July is also another reason why they have brought the Mardi Gras back over to the United States to get it ready for sailing. All right, so this is just a quick update. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.